Men hold firm and women follow suit. Concern about lottery scamming in St. James.
Another heartbreaking report. 2 minors are sexually assaulted in St. Catherine.
And pressing brakes on criminals. Motor vehicle theft continues to worry the police. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Coming up in business news, U.S. energy company acquires New Fortress Energy.
And it's the big show tonight. Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Thanks, Archie. Well, speaking of energy, it's down to the semi-finals of the Jamaica Premier League, and those matches begin on Thursday at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you very much, Jermaine. And Romaine Robinson is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in the weather.
So I think we are hearing the weatherman, but you are not at home. But you'll have an opportunity to hear him later on in the weather report and forecast when we've sorted out those audio issues. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking what more can be done to discourage teens from lottery scamming.
And you can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Staying with us, Primetime News continues right after this break.